Magnus, best is who they got the knack. Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero.
Magnus, best as you guys. Yes, we are live on the trading session, trading the open of New York Stock Exchange. We are ready. 5 minutes. This is our table. The how our strategy would look like if we just followed it completely from the 1st of October. Beautiful results. 15R. I added this column here so you can also see the R. So basically we just risk 1R, we get 2R in a win, lose just 1 if we lose, and basically that's a very nice score. I also adjusted this table, chart graph. Our real simple. So let's see how it's gonna look like. Today we have 3 wins in a row so far, so that's beautiful. 75% win rate. What else can you wish for? So every day is different. Let's see how it's gonna be today. Let me draw our zones. This is 1 minute chart. This is a 5 minute. We draw on 5 minutes. Mostly, as you can see, the drawing is simple zone. I basically rate it simple, yes or no, if you can draw it like a monkey and like simply. So what do we have here? Just before the open. So I think this is okay. This is pretty simple. So let's just draw the. Okay, I would probably say this is not that simple, because here we can put it over here. If it, we can put it here because we have nice liquidity up, but it can actually just, yeah, I will probably not. And this is a channel. So okay. We have 3 minutes till open. If it retraces actually beautifully, it shows us that we have liquidity over here. Actually, it can be nice even trading this up. Yeah, zones. Okay, trade. Let's get ready. Let's get, look at this already how we want it. We always risk 20, 40, okay, down, something like this. Okay, and as you know all the rules, we are patient. We need to have confirmation on the 1 minute. It needs to close. This also has liquidity, so basically it can go up. Bullish price action, so this is a good level. Yeah,
Magnus, market's gonna open in 1 minute. I wish you a nice quick profit.
I don't think it's difficult. This zone or this one can be a little tricky. Okay, no, I will not say it's easy. This is tricky. This is not so simple. We have liquid here. 1 minute. We need to be ready. So we are waiting for a
10,
closure.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Either
5,
our
4,
zone
3,
is
2,
marked as
1.
candle 29.
Open.
Okay. So where are we going? So far, down. Yeah, I need to write another indicator to show me the countdown. Okay, let's go. I should have entered a little bit sooner. That's actually, I don't like this entry. I don't know why I was just thinking about how this clock is in my way. Okay, so we will need to let's see how it goes. Our entry should have been here. Oh, this.
Magnus bestest, chasing dreams so high with every move. He reaches for the sky, but in his heart he knows the score. It's not just skill, it's something more. He stays humble, gives the glory to the one above. Every win, every gain is guided by his love. Magnus knows it's not by chance, it's by God's grace he's led his dance.
I will say we are on energy candle, on long candle. We can also, or if we close above the yellow or below the zone, behind the zone, and then overcome. So just one trade. So far statistics look okay, so you can see. So we just need to trust it. We don't know when the loss is gonna come. Here the only thing I could have improved is the entry a little bit sooner. I don't know, I was like looking at different stuff. I need to correct this. So because I have a bad entry, I need to close it. But actually, okay, it went even lower. So basically, a nice profit. Again, pretty soon actually. I wanted to close a little bit lower. Wow, that was actually, you see guys, this is the mistake what I do. Why did I? Now I was not thinking clearly, guys. I didn't think this through. I was just, because I'll tell you why. Because I'm always first, the safety is the first thing I think about. So if I know I did an error, so I just always want to protect the position. That was the logic behind it. So I always go like either whatever, like break even. If it's like it's better to not lose. But this is actually a big mistake. I should have closed it. I didn't think. I should just not think in safety in this case, because it's also like very nice. This is my pattern, very nice dropping. It actually copies this, so I knew it's gonna go down. Okay, whatever, you know, I can do also some mistakes like this. So of course, beautiful win, but late entry and too soon taking profits. That was interesting. I'm even surprised from myself. How could I do such a mistake, like taking profit so soon? So basically we just, this is too soon, guys. Whatever, but basically it's good because now it's training of not FOMOing. So this is the training of psychology. I need to be like whatever, but still it's like a nice big profit anyway. And our strategy just beautifully again proved that it's a beautiful strategy. And also to my advantage, I need to say that I'm still accustomed to trade 5-second charts, so it's been already too much time in a trade for my psychology right now. If I'm accustomed to close within 5 seconds, so I was just not thinking clearly. It's just like, you know, it's instinct. If you have trained instincts the whole day trading many years, 5-second charts, I still need to, like, you know, adjust myself a little bit. No problem. Get accustomed to this. But I'm getting there, don't worry, guys. So still I take it as a, you know, as a start. The start is still new. So for example, yesterday it was okay to take a little bit sooner profits because I was actually not sure if I wanna put break-even stop loss at 1-to-1 or not, if the strategy, like what's the best for the strategy. But as I said, yeah, the result is it's not good to do 1-to-1 breaking stop losses, because for example on 7th of October it would stop our win. It would save us one loss on 15, but yesterday it would have stopped our win again. So basically we would be in negative with this, or just losing profits for no reason. Okay, we would miss 3 hours. I could be, of course, entering like on a retrace, but I just want to keep it within the rules. One trade, monkey style. One trade per day. It was one trade. So, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful again. Guys, let's do it. So, another win. Beautiful. Quick win. So it was 6,000, now it's plus 800. Of course, I closed it 1-to-1, so it's just 400. But this is important. This is what gonna give you the strength to really always follow the strategy with Dewey. And actually, here even break-even stop loss would make no difference because we would have already hit the take profit. Okay, zero. Beautiful. I'm telling you guys, many times just zero drawdown. Zero drawdown. Incredible. And as I said, this was not so simple, so I will say no. Simple zone, no. But anyway, like actually no, because if you draw the zone, if you draw it, we will see. But if you just draw it here, you would be still in the trade. But yeah, so basically I will also, when I will do a basically a course for the strategy, so it's like nice compact. I will tell the rules. Basically this is okay because this was good level, also because it was in the middle of this channel, you know, so it was a good level for me. Pretty easy, simple zone, but I know, I understand some people would maybe even put it here, this zone, but it would be still okay, they would be winning. But yesterday, if you entered sooner, that would be a bad idea. You will enter, for example here, you will get stopped out, or you will get here, that would be okay. This zone is the best, I think. Now here you would have been stopped out as well by this wick. Enter here, stop out. So no, you need to be careful. This is the zone, but I think I've marked it as simple. And this one, I don't know, it was not so simple. You could see I was thinking about it, so let's keep it like this, that it was not simple. My beautiful trade. What else can I tell you guys? So let's go again to my table. So win, it was not easy, simple zone, okay, but even like those quick breakout traders would still win this trade. Zero drawdown, no comment. I don't know which should I, nothing. Here I will put also because for example this is the trade from the 14th, so I will do it like this. I recommend guys do this trader journaling if you want to do it on Google Sheets. This is actually very simple. You just really put the image simply here, and you can in the same quality. You can see it in the same quality if you stretch it. So that's actually beautiful. And what else? So we are going up now. 6,800 total profits. 17R so far this month. Incredible. Let's see which of these patterns that I created. It was today. So which one was it, guys? Of course, it was the long candle. Yesterday we had yesterday it was this one. I don't know if I should actually name them something. Maybe 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Let's see. This was a fake out pattern. So first we got faked. We would have been faked out if we were not careful, but you can see in the video, in the live stream, I was very careful about it, so I knew. I was commenting like, yeah, okay, this is fake out, and now we need to wait for this break and also overcoming of the candle. So here, as you can see, 1 to 2 is very good area where to take profits, because markets like to reverse, you know. Beautiful trade. I'm very satisfied. The only thing, as I said, I need to think less about the safety, because but it's, as I said, like it's the beginning of this journey, so I'm always just, when I'm testing, I always just use either demo or just a very small position. So here I just try to really use a small position, because I know I entered late. Because I was looking at my bad indicator here, like not bad, but I should have been lower. And also I was thinking about how I don't like that I cannot find this countdown. It always moves beyond, like you can see now, it's not visible. And this was frustrating. When I was observing this candle, I didn't know, like, okay, it's gonna close soon. So that's why I entered late. I was just thinking about this BS. I should have been focused. Whatever, guys. Good lesson. I should have entered here. Then I would be not taking quick profits. I would be not playing the safe side. Whatever. I'm talking too much, guys. That was a very simple, straightforward trade. So Ryan, okay, thanks for chatting. No, normally so far, of course, nobody knows about my live streams, or they know, but I said like now it's not serious because I was still testing strategy. But guys, still now, as I said already last time, this is already serious, getting serious. We are going also to be passing evals on 24th of October. Finally, we'll have some new news event to be CPI, I think, because they always, government shutdown always the whole month just destroyed our opportunities. So nothing happened, but they promised the 24th. Let me show you the calendar. Of course, I have just read folders here. Look at this beautiful CPI. We will try this, guys. Friday. Trying to, simple stop orders above and below twice, and try to catch small move of 16 points. I think I will do two evals because it's also still a test. I'm still just winning something like I do the first time, so I just go safer. As I said, so what was I? Yeah, okay. So guys, yeah, I'll be soon also mentioning this. I will be talking more about my futures streams and videos from now on, because as I told you, I like my strategy. I like the results. I've done detailed testing, and you can see also I do this quick. So this was last trade, the two yesterday. What? No, this was 21. Why didn't I put 2? Okay, I need to change this. Okay, no, this is 21. Okay, hold on. Let me not confuse you. Let's not confuse. I'm gonna simply select the image. I will not I'll just still not be posting today's session because I wanna have more of the price action on the photo, on the image. So here we go. 21 was like this, of course. So it was a fake out and then beautiful profit. What can I say? Okay, let me switch to the chart. So we have nice trade journaling. Nah, man. Okay, which song? Ryan. So basically I really also recommend to get those evals. Actually, you need to, if you want to trade the news on the 24th, you need to do it like you need to buy those like 1 day in advance because there's like some delay. The first account, when you buy them, you need to wait a few hours. But later, once you have an account, then you can just buy eval, and within I think 1 hour you already have an account ready to trade. But I would really recommend it. The link is in my description. In the video description, I will recommend to trade this because it's the first time actually this month I've been waiting for this day, for the 24th, the whole month, because the government shutdown just destroyed our non-farm payroll. I was waiting, I was actually live streaming, nothing happened. Then of course 15 we were maybe thinking okay, it's gonna be happen 15 CPI or PPI, I don't know which one now. They just postponed. No, they just completely canceled it, and now they decided okay, CPI, like okay guys, we will do some CPI, because now as you can see this is not tentative, it's gonna happen for real. Also I checked of course the official sources, they say like nothing, just CPI will be this month or until the government will decide okay guys, everything's okay, we can be normal. So as always, I will keep this open till 4 o'clock my time, 10 o'clock Eastern time, just for the record trade journaling. But that was again beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna I wanted to move the time lower yesterday and I forgot, so I have it locked. Now it's hopefully this is enough, like this. Okay, what else can we repair? Yeah, I need to program this simple script, so I will put it in this one, and it will also count down. It will show some countdown on this can. So here we're going to have like the open the minute 30, and I want to see somewhere around here small countdown seconds, because here again you don't see it because of actually I don't, this is I would say programming mistake, because now there's in no universe this number is more important. This stupid risk to reward from the past, there is in no universe that this is more important right now than the countdown. So why would you program it that this is about it? Like why? Like why? Also, I don't like on TradingView that today, for example, I was taking a print screen, you know, it's Shift, Windows, Tab and S. But in TradingView, if you for some reason hit Alt and not the Windows tab, and you just press Shift and S, you actually open a trade. This is so stupid, guys. And there's no way to cancel like disable those hotkeys on TradingView, and people have been complaining already years. You know, creating support tickets, blah blah. I already also created today a support ticket because I lost $8 because of it. Of course, nothing, but because I immediately by accident I also realized it that it opened a trade. But this is so stupid. You cannot disable on TradingView the hotkeys, at least from what I've been reading so far. So this is extremely stupid. People complaining like they lost their whole accounts because of this. You just, okay, this is incredible. What can I say? Stupid mistakes. I would never program. I'm a programmer and I would never program such a stupid thing like without this, like what? Like TradingView, big website, big club, the biggest. And you can see even the best players in this game can do stupid mistakes like this countdown covered, not prioritized over some stupid risk to rewards from the past, and or you cannot disable hotkeys. Like what kind of stupid. Okay, well, I'm gonna just stop this rant because basically I hate stupidity, guys. some people will be probably even taking these breakouts, but that's not for us. That's not okay. It's 1 to 2 is here. No, this is 20. So 1 to 2 is here. Okay, so 5 minutes. We'll still keep this open. Okay, right. I don't know, for some reason I thought you are in America, so you have the same time. And now, which song do you mean? Tell me. Or you can ask Siri, or you can just listen to the words and put it. Okay, actually no, because some of those songs were created with different ways. So some of them you cannot find on the internet. No problem, you can watch it on my lives. That's enough. They are quite okay. Actually, I know I've been requested to post also the songs like full songs in some files like YouTube videos or SoundCloud or whatever, maybe in the future. Okay. So 4 minutes. So yeah, so tomorrow the improvement will be I already corrected the time. It's lower. Actually, I need to tell you, I see the time differently because I use a different script, and for the screen record, I use different script. So maybe on the live it was not over this button. I don't know. But when you have like this. So the improvement will be countdown on the candle, 1 minute candle. What else can I improve? I like this, although we don't really need it anymore. Calculations, 20. But still, it's nice to see like you are on NQ, you are not on micro. So this is mini, so you know you are on the correct asset. Just double check. One contract. It can be an easier, just one contract. So 2 minutes, okay, actually 1 and 10 seconds. You can see here, I actually will comment, I will give you a comment about this as well. So some people would be trying to trade this, so some breakout traders, but look, we have a zone here, but it needs to close. First, it needs to close a little bit higher. Second, this candle would have needed to overcome this candle, and of course also, it would have needed to be the first trade of the trading session. So even if our strategy is the first powerful move, so we would not be trading this anyway. But of course, structures are structures, so as I said, breakout traders would be trading by when this is overcome, by overcoming this level. It would have been, yeah, actually, if it bounces
Magnus,
from here,
market's gonna open in 1 minute. I wish you a nice quick
so
profit.
basically, yeah, I will also need to change this assistant audio on the 4 o'clock. I just use the same to alert me that it's already finished our trading session, 30 minutes. What I was saying, it actually bounces from VWAP, the golden line, then moving average, and like both of our moving averages. So it would, if it actually really bounced, that would give a confirmation. But again, this was a fake out, so here again we need to close first, and then again overcome it, because it's this situation. Fake out, close. This was yesterday's situation, and then overcome. And this here you can enter. For example, here no, this is still not visible, but this was actually fake out, beautiful fake out. This one is identical to the tick, highs, tops. So of course you would need to wait till here, and it closed pretty above. But wait, no, here we need to close above this one. So I mean close above yellow and then overcome it. So this would be a good entry over here. This is met criteria met. Let me just quickly see what the chart looks like. Is it gonna break? I'm not gonna, of course, trade this. We have nice profits. The rule is, guys, I'm gonna tell you a secret. Everybody knows that any strategy can have losses. So if you basically are in a win for the day, like you already secured profits, and if you decide to continue to trade, you are basically being illogical, or you just really want to prolong your trading day, because you know that any strategy can have losses. So basically, you know, like maybe there will be the second one will be lost, and then you know, like you would need to continue to trade if you wanted to eventually again turn up green for the day. So there's really no point statistically, if you think about it. Mostly in most strategies there's no point to do more trades per day. Of course there are some scalpers on a second, like 5-second charts, and it's a different story. If you go, like, for example, riding some wave up, like that warrior trader I've been actually watching many years. He's like trading stocks, and he's like scanning the stocks that are just going up, and then he just tries to join it on some places quickly, in and out. Sometimes not that quickly, sometimes just basically there are strategies that you can also like build up your profits around the day. Of course, any strategy works. You just need to follow it. So here the price decided maybe do a double top. We don't know. Maybe. Okay, whatever. As I said, 30 minutes already passed. The trading session is finished. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. See you tomorrow.